Uh, Today we are going to see regarding tractors, how to get loan from bank to purchase tractors, sugarcane harvester and paddy harvesters. So normally, if you go to bank, they will ask, "What do you want, sir? I want to have a tractor loan or harvester loan or paddy harvester loan." Then they will ask, "What is your loan amount? Then how you are going to repayment? How many acres you are going to harvest?" Like that, the details they will tell. So this is a idea how to approach a bank before you prepare yourselves, and then you can also prepare yourself a project report, because based on this project report only bank will decide whether to give loan or not. So if you have a clear idea regarding this project report and the requirements, what are the requirements they are asking in bank, if you both coincide and if you have a clear idea, sure you can get a bank loan. See now, tractor, I am going to purchase a tractor or sugarcane harvester or paddy harvester, any farm mechanism. These are the steps. First, land. I must have my own land, so I must have a wetland 4 acres, or water is available all the time. Otherwise I must have a 8 acres of dry land, there is no water. So 4 acre or 8 acre I must have, then only this will pass. Second, that land must be in my name or my blood relations. It must be my blood relations, not least. Not least, it must be my land or my blood within my father or mother, they are having the property, I am taking care of that. Okay. If my acre is less than 4 acres, like 2 acre only wetland is I am having, otherwise or 5 acre 3 acre only I am having dry land, then that proposal will go to regional office or zonal office for getting approval. Because you are having an account in SBI, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas, any bank you are having account, you are maintaining that account for last 10 years, 15 years or 20 years, then you can tell that I am 20 years customer, but I am having this much of land, I have already taken loan and I have repaid. Otherwise my repayments are correct, monthly I am getting this much amount from somebody, I am depositing. Because normally when you go to land, they will give in hand only. So per acre you are doing plowing and all, they will give 2000 or 1500 something. So particular per month 50,000 we have taken a average calculation, sure 50,000 you will get. So that money you are going on depositing, monthly I am depositing this much, you can check like that, you can tell. So land must be my own, and more than 4 acre or 8 acre. Then I am going to purchase a tractor, trailer, a tanker, or plowing machines, the round or something. So you must have your own idea, all the accessories. Which company you are going to buy? Whether Mahindra, Eicher, New Holland, John Deere. There are 16 companies are there. Then you can purchase in any tractors. But you must aware always that these dealers, whether they are having any relationship with even NABARD and bank. Normally, if you go to a bank, a dealership, I am going to purchase a tractor, then they will tell there is subsidy for agriculture department is there, agriculture activity there is a subsidy. Okay, okay, you buy a tractor, we will arrange for subsidy this much. Normally 25 percentage of the loan amount will be there, 2.5 10 you are taking, 2.5 will be your subsidy. We will make arrangement, you pay initial, like that they will tell. They will be having a contact with the bank also, there is a cycle will be there. Then bank will give a letter that okay, this person has approached, this person will give loan for this much amount, like that they will give. By that and that subsidy process will start. Bank will give a letter to a subsidy government organization. Then the showroom will follow up this, because individually we cannot follow up. Because these showroom people, they will be having each places, they are having well versed. Individually one person will be there, he will go and directly contact the bank and this and that, and then we will make he will make sure it. And tractor, trailer, power tiller, you may purchase anything, nearly average value will be 7 lakhs to 14 lakhs. Normally this amount will vary depends upon the horsepower and accessories, how much you are getting. Normally one round roller or one power tiller, suppose somebody will tell that two are different type, different shapes, so amount will be vary according to that. Then margin, if I am getting, if I am asking for loan 1.6 1.6 1 lakh 60,000, there is no margin and there is no security also for that. If I am going more than that, 10 percentage margin I have to pay for that. If loan amount is 10, 1 lakh I have to pay. 10 lakhs is the cost of the machine. So I have to pay 1 lakh. 9 lakhs will be the loan amount. But subsidy, when it will come, we will tell you how the subsidy is being arranged. Security up to 1.6 lakh, there is no security, because if you are going getting in any accessories, round roller or a ploughing equipment, it will be less than 1.6. So it is not necessary for that security. If it is more than 1.6, you have to mortgage the security, mortgage the land which you are having. Already the primary you will have with the RTO that it is being hypothecated to the bank, then land also has to be mortgaged. The land is not owned third party, my brother, father, or sister, mother, third party collateral, third party also can be mortgaged. Suppose I am not having third party also some problem, they are not not a problem, they are not here, they are somewhere else, then LIC bond or deposits if you give, I am having this land, I have an agreement, so please give loan. Surely by seeing the deposit in LIC bonds, they will give the loan. Repayment. Normally, repayment is 7 to 9 years. Then monthly you are paying, a quarterly or yearly. How this depends upon you, how you are paying. You have to initially tell that quarterly I will pay, because monthly, if you have monthly operation, we don't know. So quarterly, normally quarterly or half yearly it is being accepted. So quarterly this much amount, 3 months, the total amount will be accumulated. So you got to pay for that. Processing charges 5.5%. How much the loan? If I am taking 10 lakhs loan or 9 lakhs loan, 0.5% loan amount will be there. Normally 5,000. Processing charge will be taken. Rate of interest. If you see the rate of interest, normally 9.85% to 10.5% is the rate of interest. Normally all the banks will charge. Then that tie-up arrangement, you have to see whether tie-up arrangement is there or not. Showroom people, they will have a tie-up with NABARD. NABARD will ask bank whether you are giving loan, then we will give subsidy. Bank will check with the customer and the showroom. Okay, if the quotation is genuine and borrower is genuine, bank will give the loan. They will give letter to NABARD. NABARD will pass that subsidy. Again, the show we will give DD or RTGS to showroom. The equipments will come. People, that customer will start occupying, doing his business. There are two different things. One is SIDBI and NABARD. SIDBI is mainly for MSME. For any MSME activity, if you are getting any subsidy, that will come through SIDBI. It's a government organized one. For any agriculture activity, that subsidy is coming, that is mainly through NABARD. This is the two different activity and departments. They are giving the subsidies. Normally, if I am giving subsidy, NABARD told I am giving subsidy 25%. So cost of the machine is 10 lakh. 25% is subsidy is giving 2 lakhs 50,000 is a subsidy. So 7 lakh 50,000. Where is my margin? Margin must be 10%. So 75 remaining amount of 75, you have to pay the subsidy. Your margin 75. Normally the loan amount is 6 lakh 75,000 only. But we will open the loan account for 9 lakhs. Because subsidy may come or may not come, we don't know. Because if government is having fund, they will give subsidy. If government is not having any fund or any election is there or any problem, they will not give. They will give afterwards. Subsidy may come or may not come at any time. So normally they will open the loan account for 9 lakhs. But when the subsidy comes, your loan amount will be 6 lakhs 75,000. So when you prepare for a project report, you have to prepare your report for 9 lakhs only. Subsidy, you leave it because it will come or it will not come. For preparing project report, you no need to go to any auditor. Simply in a white sheet, you can write what you know. That's all. Because if you go to auditor, he will ask 5,000 to 10,000 for making say a small calculation. If you see project report, you are telling what is my purpose. Purpose is purchasing a trailer, tractor, or power harvester, something. Then loan amount, how much is the loan amount? Cost of the equipment, loan amount, my margin, what's the subsidy, how much period I am going to repay the amount, what is my rate of interest. Then by seeing these, you will prepare a DSCR, depth service coverage ratio. It means debt. What is my debt? How I am going to serve it? So how I am going to serve it? By net profit I am getting. Bank I am paying the interest. That also I will add in this depreciation. Equipment and machineries or construction buildings. Anything they will have a depreciation of 10% every year. So I am putting 10%. You will plus everything, then you will divide by how much I am really paying. So I have put 2000 into 25 per month. 50,000 I am roughly I am getting an income from this equipment into 12 times, 12 months. So same 12 I have taken repayment and bank interest I have taken. If I am taking ratio, it will be 3.7. DSCR need only 1.5, so it is more than 1.5. So this loan will be passed. Normally there will be tripartite agreement. That is, like if you go to sugarcane harvester, the cost is nearly more than 1 crore, because you will have a sugarcane harvester machine, and then tractor, two tractors will be there. It will cut and will put all the sugarcane into one drum, like two tractors will be there. So there are more accessory in that, so it will cost nearly 1 crore. You'll have a tie-up agreement with some Tarini Sugars, so Manari Aman Sugars, Shakti Sugars, tie-up agreement with the customer, company, and the field farmers. This is called a tripartite agreement. In that particular 1 year, you will serve nearly 1500 tons, 3000 tons, 6000 tons. So like that will be there. Per ton, this much cost. So sometime per hour, how it is running, that cost will be there, 500 rupees or 1000 rupees will be there. Sometimes per ton, how much I am cutting, that for that there is a calculation will be there. According to that, by seeing 1 crore, this much ton or this much year is there, every year this much ton will be produced, cut. So according to that, this loan will be sanctioned. For any farmer activities, any farmer equipment, just as tractor, sugarcane, paddy harvesters, this is just a preparation. So these are the requirements, these are the project report. If you have a clear idea and if you go to bank will tell that okay, this person is having full idea about this loan, sure he will repay like that. So make sure that you make arrangement of these things and meet the manager, sure he will give the loan. Thanks. Best of luck.